Welcome to my another episode. This is Nasim from nasimreza.com. If you need any help, go to this video description and book a consultancy meeting with me. Okay, in this video, you are going to see how you can connect your Google Tag Manager to your e-commerce WordPress website without any plugin. Okay, first of all, you need a Google Tag Manager container like this, and then you have to log in your WordPress website like this. Okay, first of all, go to Google Tag Manager and click on this GTM code, and you will get a new pop-up with some installation process. Actually, we just need to complete this two step. First of all, copy this link, copy this all coded and paste under the head tag. Second step, copy this code and paste under the body tag. And then this is the brand new option. You can test your URL from here. Okay, let's do the first step. Copy this code, go back the WordPress website backend, and then go to appearance, then theme file editor. After that, click on I understand, and then you will see a theme file list on the right hand side. We just need to select header. For example, theme header, and you can see header.php. Okay, click on that, and then this is header. You just have to click on the head tag, hit enter, and again and again, and here you just need to paste the first code, and you can see the code is appear here, and then hit the button update file, and this updates successfully. And then the second step, copy this code, go back, and here you can see this is the body tag. Just simply copy anywhere within the body tag. I'm going to paste here and then update file again. And when you have done, it's time to visit our site and copy this URL. I am using a demo website, that's why my URL is this. Of course, you have to copy your own domain. Go back to Google Tag Manager and paste here, and then hit the button test. You can see this website is testing with Google Tag Manager, and you can see the green check mark at appear here. So that's mean we have successfully connect Google Tag Manager with our e-commerce website without any plugins. So that's all for today. See you on the next one. And if you need my help, go to the video description and book a consultancy meeting with me. Have a great day.